When I tried to launch the game, I got this error. The application was unable to start correctly. To fix it, click on OK and go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on Open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select Manage Settings. Scroll down and select Add or Remove Exclusions and select Yes. Select Add an Exclusion and select Folder. Navigate to Game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option. Game has added to this list. Go back to virus and threat protection and select protection history. Threat found, click on and select yes option. As you can see, game related file is in here. Select action and select allow on device option and select yes. Under here, do the same thing if any other game related file. Once you're done, just close stuff here and launch the game. As you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.